everybody! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from DOOGEE S95 Pro to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and type Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Receive on an Android and Send on DOOGEE. Now click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo, just send and click Got it only for example. Over here we have the ways to connect. You can input this key over here and following that choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on an Android, then select Allow in the pop-up. So sorry, misclick. And point your camera at the QR code. Now you need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!